Previously we studied about similarity of triangles. The basic fact that I told you in similarity, that for two triangles to be similar, it should follow similarity axioms by having their corresponding sides in proportionally equal, or the ratio of corresponding sides should be equal and corresponding angles should be equal. So, on the basis of similarity of triangles, there is a very important theorem in chapter 6, that is basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. Why it is known as Thales theorem? Because it is derived by mathematician Thales. This is very important theorem regarding examination point of view, that is basic proportionality theorem, also known as Thales theorem. What type of question comes in examination? State and prove Thales theorem, or it can come like that way, state and prove basic proportionality theorem, or sometimes they will give this statement, but we don't know which type of question will be coming in examination, so we have to learn this statement also. So what does this theorem says? It says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Let me repeat slowly. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in same ratio. We can understand by figure. If we are taking this triangle ABC, so this triangle ABC, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So this DE is parallel to BC. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides. So DE is intersecting other two sides AB and AC at D and E. So as per the theorem, the other two sides are divided in same ratio. It means the ratio of AB and AC should be equal. Or we can say that AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Let us start with given. To prove any theorem, the basic things are statement, given, to prove, construction if there is any, and proof. So let us start. Given a triangle ABC, a triangle ABC is given where DE is parallel to BC. This line DE is parallel to BC. This is given in the triangle. To prove, what we have to prove here? We have to prove the other two sides are divided in same ratio. It means AD upon DB must be equals to AE upon EC. The ratio of these sides should be equal. So AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. Next step to prove any theorem should be construction. What construction we are doing here? Draw DM parallel to AC and EN, sorry, not parallel, it's perpendicular. Draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. We have drawn two perpendiculars from point E, EN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. Also join CD and BE. What I am doing here? We are joining this CD and BE. Now we are going with proof. So in the proof, traditionally there is a very long process to prove basic proportionality theorem. I am telling you a short trick how to prove this theorem in a very short manner. So we have, first of all, let me tell you how can we prove this theorem. We will be using this triangle ADE, and first time we will be using this triangle this side BDE, and next time again ADE and triangle DEC. It means we are using triangle ADE in both the cases and triangle BDE in one case and triangle DEC in other case. Let me write. First of all, I am taking area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. Why it become lengthy in traditional proof? Because first of all, what necessary. So traditionally what we are doing this area separately, then ADE again, then DEC again. So it becomes quite lengthy. Here I am taking in combining, just like area of ADE upon area of BDE. Because we have to prove ratios, so I am taking directly in ratios. What is the area of triangle? 1 upon 2 into base into height. So for ADE, 1 upon 2 into base I am taking AD and height I am taking. So area of triangle ADE is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So I am taking 1 upon 2 into AD into EN. For triangle BDE, you can see we are taking 1 upon 2 into base into height. So we are taking its base BD, or you can say DB, 1 upon 2 into DB into EN. Clear? So 1 upon 2 is cancelled by 1 upon 2, EN is cancelled by EN. So we will get AD upon DB. This we can treat as first equation. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE comes out to be AD upon DB. Also, we are taking area of triangle ADE, as I told you, upon area of triangle DEC. Now I am taking this side triangle DEC. We have to apply again 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2 into AD we have to take now from this side. So AE into DM. I am taking AD's area now from this side because we are taking triangle DEC. And for triangle DEC, 1 upon 2 into EC into DM. For triangle DEC, 1 upon 2 into EC into DM. So 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 by 2 cancelled by 1 by 2. DM is cancelled by DM. We will get AE upon EC. This is second equation. Now you can observe that area of triangle ADE upon BDE is AD upon DB. Area of triangle ADE upon DEC is AE upon EC. So these two ratios we got in form of two equations. Now let us proceed further. Now you can see that we have triangle ADE upon BDE, triangle ADE upon DEC. It means this triangle ADE is common in these two equations. Now let us see for BDE and DEC, can we make them equal? So BDE and DEC, yes, we can make them equal by using the theorem. We have triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between same parallel lines DE and BC. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equals to the area of triangle DEC. This theorem we have studied in class 9. That two triangles are on the same base and between same parallel lines are equal in area. So here triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base DE and between same parallel lines DE and BC. So they are equal in area. So area of triangle BDE is equal equals to the area of triangle DEC. Now let us see equation 1, 2 and 3. ADE is equals to ADE. BDE is equals to DEC from equation 3rd. It means AD upon DB is also equals to AE upon EC. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we get AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC, and this we have to prove, hence proved. This is the proof of basic proportionality theorem, that the ratio of two sides are equal. AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC.